Hi guys, welcome to the Daily Special. On today's episode, I'm going to show you how to make chicken tacos with an avocado mayo and toasted spiced corn. Let's jump right into it. So the first step we're going to do today is slice our chicken breast into bite-sized pieces. As you can see, I'm cutting each chicken breast into slices, and then I'm going to slice those slices in half so that the pieces aren't too big and they fit in your taco comfortably so that you can eat it. So after we finish cutting up our chicken breast into bite-sized pieces, we're going to begin seasoning it. Today I use salt, smoked paprika, cumin, onion powder, and garlic powder. Now I'm going to drizzle the chicken breast with a little bit of olive oil, and I'm also going to use the juice of half of a lemon. So I'm going to cut the lemon in half and squeeze it inside, trying to keep the seeds from falling inside. But when I do find the seeds, I'll catch them and I'll throw them away. Now we're going to have our pan over medium-high heat. We're going to drizzle a little bit of olive oil and add our chicken into the pan so that it can cook on each side for about 3 to 5 minutes. After 3 to 5 minutes, when your chicken is nice and brown on one side, we're going to flip each piece over and allow the other side to cook for another 3 to 5 minutes. The cooking process shouldn't take long because the chicken is cut up into tiny pieces. Now we're going to go ahead and start our avocado mayo. So we're going to slice an avocado in half, and I'm only using half of the avocado. Now I'm going to dice the avocado into really tiny pieces so that it's easy for me to mash up with the mayo. After I've scooped all of the avocado out with a spoon, which makes it so much easier to just get it in the bowl, we're going to add 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise and the juice from half of a lemon into our mixture. Now I'm going to grab a small bunch of cilantro and cut it up into really fine pieces so that we can add this into our avocado mayo mixture. I'm seasoning the mixture up with a little pinch of salt, or maybe 2, and then I'm going to mash it. Well, eventually I'll get a fork, but I'm going to mash it with a fork until it's all combined. My niece wanted to jump in the action, and I just can't tell her no, so I let her mash the avocados up for the rest of the time. Now we're going to get started on our toasted spiced corn. It's super simple. You're just going to take a cup of already cooked corn, add it into a pan, add some smoked paprika, some salt, and some cumin. It's literally so easy. You just leave it over the heat and let it get toasty on both sides. I use the same pan that I made the chicken in just so it can pick up some of that flavor and the goodness from the brown bits at the bottom. So don't even worry about washing the pan out. So now I'm going to brown the tortillas. I'm using white corn tortillas. I'm just going to toast them a little bit on each side until it reaches my liking. Okay, so we finally reached the best part of the whole process, the setting up of our tacos. I made a little taco bar here, as you can see. You can use lettuce as the base, that's totally optional, but I like the crunch a lot, so I would prefer it. You're going to layer your chicken, your corn. You can use mozzarella cheese or whatever cheese you want. I had mozzarella on hand. I'm going to scoop some of the cilantro mayo, avocado mayo on there. I'm going to scoop some of that up into a little bowl just to make it presentable. And after that, we're all done. Thank you so much for watching. You can find the link to the whole recipe on my blog, thedailyspeshyl.com. It'll be linked below. I hope you guys subscribe, enjoy, and keep watching for more.